If you're looking to begin a business cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you're interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a business cash cow channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a great one so we can build some inspiration off of. Let's go switch into viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. We got to put ourselves in a viewer's perspective. What was someone interested in business look up? So as I looked up how to invest for beginners, I want to look at channels that don't necessarily have their face revealing, as we're looking for a faceless cash cow channel. And in the first few picks, I see these guys are, they have a personality behind their channel. So I'm going to keep scrolling down and I see a video with Warren Buffett. So let's go check it out. So what I do observe in this video is that this is some free stock footage. This is, just random people doing certain actions. This is like free stock footage of the stock market right here. And you can easily access this information, free to download on websites like Pixabay or Pexels, or even paid subscriptions, but you could access all this information on Google. You can write down a script by collecting some articles to find out information on how to invest for beginners. You also see subtitles, as this is easier for the viewer to follow along with the video, and there is most likely a voiceover narrating the video as well. Now if we scroll down, we see that this video has over 2 million views. The channel has over 500,000 subscribers, and there is a decent amount of comments, so there is engagement going on as well within this video. Now let's go check out the channel to see what kind of videos this channel is creating. As you can see, this channel is all about free investing. Subscribe to achieve financial freedom. And they have videos around business, right? This includes content around the stock market. These are some financial freedom leaders that they're including in their videos, as in their thumbnails, as Rich Dad Poor Dad. They got Warren Buffett, and they have other leaders that talk about investing. So investing is a sub niche in the business niche. I would love to hear from you guys. Comment down below, what is your favorite part about starting a business? Now let's see how their monetization is going. Let's go over how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making through ad revenue alone. So if we go into this website, we can easily access the channel statistics. As I scroll down, we can see the views that this channel is raking in every 30 days. As this past 30 days, they have got over 4 million views. This tells me that there's a large audience interested in the investing niche, as well as, starting their own business and learning on how to make a better ROI or return on investment for themselves. The channel also rakes in just monthly ad revenue over $15,000 just from people watching their ads on their videos. And throughout the year, they're making the 6 figures, as they're raking in over $200,000. With the amount of views that these guys are earning, your chances of going viral on one of your videos or on many of your videos are very realistic. If you guys are enjoying the content, leave a like on the video. Now let's see how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. A video is like putting together your lemonade stand. How did I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to find out, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or the red light? I would say that the business niche does get the green light. There is a high demand for this type of videos, as there is a high amount of views looking for this type of content. The potential profit that you can be earning is also high, as this is a high CPM niche. The business niche is also related to the wealth niche, which is also part of the big three of the 3 niches that will always stay evergreen and that will never run out of ideas. A bonus is that these videos are very easy to make. YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos that we created and we went over in this video should be used for inspiration. Please don't copy. Try to be creative within your type of content. This is also just one niche. We're going to be going over many more niches in future videos. Now, if you were interested in doing this niche for your cash cow channel, you have 2 options. Option A, you can do it yourself with the possibility of wasting your time, as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with their YouTube automation. If this is something you're interested in doing, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here, as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.